Good morning, everybody. Today on the Johnston Report, we have our top 10 countdown. But before we get started, we have an important message from Salisbury High School and students. Biodiversity on Earth is at risk due to an increased greenhouse gas effect. Greenhouse gases absorb infrared energy from the sun, then reflect that energy back to Earth, also keeping the energy from escaping out of Earth's atmosphere. Without these gases, we would freeze, but with too much, we destroy habitats and biodiversity. For example, polar bears are dying from melting ice caps, and biodiversity in the Arctic tundra is being altered due to new plants growing in the warmer climate. CO2 and steam have been the leading causes in global warming, and are both released through combustion, a chemical reaction involved in the production and use of fossil fuels. A common combustion reaction uses 6 oxygen molecules plus a hydrocarbon of C6H12O6. The reaction then produces the products 6 H2O molecules in gas form, aka steam, plus 6 carbon dioxide molecules. How can we help? We can buy local. Transportation is responsible for 22% of these fossil fuel emissions. Yes, finding other means of transportation that don't use fossil fuels for yourself will help. The impact is much smaller. The distance goods, including food travel, is much more vast than the 14,000 miles the average American travels per year. In 2010, it was recorded by the United States Bureau of Transportation Statistics that commercial freight traveled nearly 2.5 trillion ton miles. The distance it takes for us to receive goods is much greater. Thus, the combustion reactions needed to provide fuel is much greater. If we start buying local, global warming can be reduced one purchase at a time.